Hey, what's going on, everybody? Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome back to the Revenue Pro Tips channel and our Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week, where we bring you tips every single week on how to get your money right, whether that's within your personal finances and or your business. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing anytime by hitting the little red subscribe button and bell notification so you don't miss when we upload new content. All right, but today's quick tip, guys, we're talking obviously money, right? We like to talk money here on this channel because that's what it's all about. And it's all about how much money you're getting, how much money you have to invest into yourself, your family, your loved ones, your communities, and have wealth for generations. All right, so anyways, we're talking money, guys, and here's a couple things I want you to know. We're going to point out 3 tips, okay? Now, if you're not around people who are talking about these 3 tips when it comes to money, guys, get far away from them, okay? Because one of the first things you're going to recognize when you talk to like financial advisors and wealth experts and all this stuff, right, is they tell you, what are your spending habits, start cutting back, start saving money, right? Well, let me tell you, number 1 is to make money. All right, look, if you don't have money, if you're not collecting money, right, I like to say collect instead of make, because unless you're working for an international bank and printing money, you have no right to make money. All right, so be careful with that. But if you're not collecting money, guys, there's nothing to save. What do you have to save, right? So instead of people passing on this advice about saving when you have pennies, right, that's not encouraging. That's not going to encourage you to save. What they need to do is, how can we make more money? Right? If you're working a job, can you start a business on the side? If you have a job in a business, can you start a clothing brand around your business to sell in conjunction with your business? Right? Can you do independent contractor work? Right? There's so many ways to make money, right? But your number 1 focus needs to be on making or collecting money. All right. The second thing, guys, is to keep your money. Keep your money is number 2, okay? Look, your biggest expense is going to be taxes, ladies and gentlemen. I don't care your tax bracket, how much money you're making, how much money you're not making. Your biggest expense, my biggest expense, everyone's biggest expense is taxes, okay? And really, once you learn taxes, once you learn the legal opportunities within the tax system that you have, you could keep a lot of money. So when you start making a lot of money, you want to focus then on, how do I keep what I made, okay? How do I keep what I have collected, okay? And so, if we had a video not too long ago, and I posted a little picture with a quote, or I quoted a song by that Jay-Z, a statement he made in one of his songs, well, not his song, but a song that he was featured in, where he says, my accountant's so good, I'm practically living tax-free, okay? So he knows the legal system and how to go about legally, basically saving on taxes and not giving so much back to the government, the IRS or whatnot, all right? So he knows the system. You're going to want to do the same thing, all right? So first it starts with keeping the money, right? And then once you're able to, keep in terms of taxes, once you do that, then you have money to save, guys. But that's bringing me to the third one. Don't save to save. Don't save for a rainy day, right? That's not encouraging either. What you want to save for is to multiply your money, all right? Multiply your money, all right? So what I mean by that is, when you have money and you're able to keep it, you will only keep it for so long until the government does come asking for it, okay, in terms of taxes. So what you want to do is find assets, income producing assets, to be able to multiply your money. So not only do you keep the money, you keep it with the intent of investing it to grow exponentially, okay? So these are the 3 key points of money, guys, that you want to be focused on. I don't care if you work a job, I don't care if you own your own business, you're a specialist, you're an investor in the markets, it does not matter, okay? With everything you're doing, if money is what you're after, money needs to be what you're focused on, and it starts with these 3 things right here. Make your money, keep your money, multiply your money. All right, so that is it for today's Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week, guys. I hope you have gotten value from that. I hope you understand it. If you have any questions, if you want to add on to anything, Let us know, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say about this video or any other thing that pertains to the channel, or just money. We're talking money, we're talking revenue, all right? And we want to make sure you have as much as you would like to have to live the life that you would like to live, all right? So with that said, make sure you are, again, subscribe to the channel. Let us know if you like the video, guys. If you got value, give us a thumbs up. Let us know you like it. Also, make sure you're following us on all social media platforms at Revenue Pro Tips. And this is Brian. We will see you soon. Peace.